Hi, everyone. Spring break has come and gone. Here we go again. I'm your instructor, Vicky Morgan. EdTech is a very interesting field. Here at Freightos, we still offer some of the basics because there are still many teachers and future teachers who need the basics. There are 4-year degrees and several master's degrees in EdTech now, although there are different names, such as instructional technology or instructional design, educational technology, etc. You will find a plethora of educational technology conferences, seminars, and webinars now because it's a hot field. It's really a marriage of education and technology. It's not just studying the technology. It's finding its best application and use in education for the purpose of improving and/or enhancing the educational experience. I look forward to working with you this term.